Guys, it's the Supreme Chancellor Omega at Crimson Dawn here. I want to show you guys a little bit about timing shims. A lot of our S emitters or slant emitters, like you can see here, or Banshee, are going to start shipping with timing shims. Now that we have some parts in stock and some different emitters, people are trying to, change the style or the look of their saber a little bit. And the glue process that was used a little bit makes that kind of difficult. You can break the glue on an older style Banshee or Osprey. You can break the glue on those emitters. It's a mild epoxy, but just to make things easier going forward, a lot of our S emitters are going to start shipping with timing shims. And this right here is a timing shim. We're going to sell these on our website if you have a Banshee that didn't get any, but everything going forward should have it. The way you install these, you unthread the emitter. Let's see here. I like to do 2 at a time. You put 2 on and you tighten her back up. As you saw before, the emitter was pointing towards the back. Now it's pointing off to the side like that. I like to do them 2 at a time, so let's come off. You got to be careful with timing shims though. They are pretty thin and can be kind of sharp, so that was 2. We're going to put 2 more on. We're going to give that a shot. I like to kind of do something like that real slow. You don't want it to catch and get it all cut up, but you don't want it to stick out past the sides there. So that's almost it right there. It's a little off right now. You can see the screws here are a little off. I think we need 1 more. So there you go. Let's try 1 more. So line them up good. And voila. There you have it. Perfectly lined up with the use of timing shims. These are going to be really, really inexpensive on Crimson Dawn and on all of the Profi slant emitters. This will be shipping on some of our other inventory still glued. But again, like I said, the glue does break free. We've had tons of customers. We've done it a million times ourselves. The glue does break free. It just can be kind of difficult. So if you're looking to, put a Talon emitter on this guy or something, or change it out a little bit later, maybe you bought a Banshee and you want a shade, you can now do that. Or sorry, you bought a shade and you want to turn it into a Banshee. Those emitters will be available on the website. The timing shims will be available on the website, and this is how you install them. So if you just received one of our Profi Banshees this week and you're curious what all these little razor sharp shims are for, this is what they're for. And if you mount them right, they do not protrude or anything like that. You just got to make sure it's right. And we give you plenty so you can get it all lined up. And if you ever have any questions on how any of this works, shoot us an email over at service@crimsondawn.com. So again, timing shims from Crimson Dawn.